Hello everyone. Need to create the images like this? What if I told you that you could transform your wildest imagination into a stunning, hyperrealistic masterpiece? Join me in this video, and I'll show you how to unlock the power of AI to bring your ideas to life like never before. So, let's get started. Introducing aiseo, the ultimate tool for artists and designers alike. With its innovative AI technology, aiseo can transform your wildest imagination into a stunning, hyperrealistic work of art. The first step is to head over to art.aiseo.ai, which you can find the link to in the video description as well. Here, you'll find a range of features that you can explore to make your image the more like in your mind, but let's dive right into the main event. Once you're ready to create an image, simply write down your idea and make sure not to click on the generate button for the free version of it. Then, sit back and watch as AI works its magic to bring your idea to life in ways you never thought possible. Once you've generated an image you like, you can easily download it and use it for your projects. But wait, there's more. aiseo not only generates the image but also provides tags and descriptions related to the generated image. So if you want to use the same style or theme for future images, simply click on the Try This button under the image to see related images, and it could be really helpful for getting more ideas and give us interesting results. Whether you're a professional artist or just a casual doodler, aiseo has something for everyone. With its endless possibilities and stunning results, this tool is sure to unlock your creative potential and take your imagination to the next level. So what are you waiting for? Head over to art.aiseo.ai and start creating stunning, one-of-a-kind images that will make your imagination come to life. Thanks for watching, and happy creating.